back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's section, we will explore how to create journals in ADFDI Spreadsheet in our PC. These powerful tools make bulk journal entry faster, easier, and more accurate. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced finance professional, by the end of this video, you will have a clear step-by-step understanding of how to streamline your journal creation process. So let's dive in. So the process is assign employee role to user account, run LDAP ESS job, download desktop integrator app, update Excel settings, download spreadsheet, populate data in the spreadsheet, upload and import journals, review the imported journals. So let's quickly dive into the system and check. Click on navigator, go to tools, and now here you are not able to see one option how to download the text. If you assign employee role to your user, then you can download the text. Go to security control, click on OK, click on user, search for our user account, click on our user account, now click on edit, now click on add role, now search for the role called employee, select the role and click on add role membership, click on done, save and close, click on done, click on navigator. Now you can see the tab. Download desktop integration installer. Now if I am assigned that role, now this option will be disappear. Now let's see that. Click on edit. Now unassign the role. Click on add, save and close. Click on done. Now if you go there, if you go click on navigator, go to tools. Now you can see that option and the app was disappeared from tools section. Now set the role back to our user, employee role. Click on user. Now search for our user. We have ERPZEN, fixer. Click on your user name. Click on edit. Now click on add role. Now assign employee role to our user account. Click on add role membership. Click on done. Click save and close. Click on done. Now if you see sign out and sign in again. On navigator, go to tools, click on security control, go to your user account, ERPZEN, click on edit, click on add role, assign line manager, click on add role membership, click on done, click on save and close, click on done, check. You know it well. Now let's try to remove the line manager. Go to your user account, click on edit, Now remove line manager role from your account. There is one place. Click on done. Now sign out and sign in again. Click on navigator. Go to tools. Now you can see download desktop integration installer. You have to install it. So click on the tab. So was successfully installed. So click on next. Click on install. It says I have already installed it. So in this way you have to install here. Click on cancel. Now now you have to make some extensions. Go to Excel. Go to new Excel. Click on file. Click on more. Click on options. Click on adding. From Excel ID, go to formatting. Click on go. Here you have to make sure that this flag is enabled. Oracle ADF desktop integration add-in for Excel. You have to make sure that this flag is enabled. And click on file, click on more, click on options, click on trust center, click on trust center settings. And you have to make sure that this radio button is enabled. So these are all the settings that you have to do in Excel. Now let us see how to create journals through spreadsheet. Go to instance. Now click on general accounting, journal, click on task pane or task list. Now click on create journal spreadsheet. Click on create journal spreadsheet. Now a spreadsheet has been downloaded to our system. Click on enable editing. You are about to connect. This spreadsheet is having a connectivity with the instance. So by clicking here, you have to provide your user credentials. Give your user ID, ERPZEN, and password. Click sign in button. Save. Click. Now you can see the spreadsheet. Now enter your journal information, the name of the journal. Here, data access is nothing but your primary method. Enter general information, spreadsheet, journal, spreadsheet journal, and the description I want to go with the same. And ledger, select your primary ledger, ERPZEN PL, accounting date. I want to select the date on December 17, 2017 is the latest open series. 01, 0, 12 is adjusting period, and here we cannot edit the source since it is a spreadsheet. And category, if you don't know the category, you can double click here, and since it is having a connectivity with the instance, you can fetch the information from here. Search, adjustment, hit search, select the adjustment category and hit OK. Now here enter the core combination. If you double click on it, system will open a pop-up. From here, select your valid core combination. Say company, department default. I want to go with general expenses as an option. Select this general expense and click OK. Select the code combination, account to code combination. Click on OK. Click OK. Automatically, all the information is populated. Now currency, say which currency you want to enter. So USD, search. US dollar. I want to go with USD as a currency. So enter debit, say let's say $2,000, and now enter the credit line, the cash account. Select. Now select cash account, search, select the account code combination and click on OK. Okay. Now the currency USD only. Select USD and click OK. Go with $2,000. Now you have entered online. Now hit submit. Go to this tab, create general tab, and hit submit button. Submit option on. And among these radio buttons, select this option. Submit general import and posting. And here I will say no. Import this issue text field. I will say no. Now hit submit button. Now the process has been submitted. 11886571. Go to the instance and search for the process ID. Click on navigator, go to tools, schedule processes, hit refresh. See here import 11886571 was imported and the posting is also done successfully. And now let's check our general. Click on navigator, click on general accounting, click on general, click on task pane, click on manage general. Now hit search. Now search for spreadsheet general. Yeah, the source you can see the source of spreadsheet. Right, this is our general. Spreadsheet general, and it got posted. That status you can see it is posted. And see the amount 2000 euro. So this is how you can form. That's how you can efficiently create journals using ADFDI Spreadsheet in Oracle Sheet. I hope this walkthrough helps you simplify your workflow and save your valuable time. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion stories. Drop your questions or feedback in the comments. Until next time, keep learning and keep going with our channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.